Welcome everyone to Julian Plus 4. This is your girl Julian, and today we'll be doing a unboxing of VibroSculpt, and I have my little helper Zipporah on the side. She'll be helping me to unbox this product that I got from VibroSculpt. And Divine is also here. So this is the viral TikTok machine that they say will help you to lose belly fat. So it's a massager, and I got it, and I'm gonna try it and see if it works. So this is my unboxing of the product, so that you guys could see what it looks like. So let me begin to pull it. So while I'm pulling the box, I'll be reading what it says. It says VibroSculpt, unique Vibro Buff technology, designed with a soft dual padded head to smooth and relax. Releases, relieves, smooth and gentle, easy to use, soft and comfortable. Includes, which I guess while using the product, you're supposed to also be eating healthy. So they included a healthy eating guide, plus best uses instructions, and also towels. Oh my god, this tape is on tight. Trying to pull the tape off. Here we go. We got it. I got it, guys. I got it. So here it is. So Zipporah is gonna come and take it out the box.
So guys, here it is.
So here's the product. So they have the, let me put the box to the side. They have the instruction manual, and these are the places that you could use the product, or you could use it as abdomen, waist, buttocks and legs, orange peel appearance, arms, back and shoulder. So you could use it on all those parts. And you could also, oh, here's the eating guide, LT guide that they gave you. I would have to follow these, but I won't be eating those runny eggs. Nope.
Let me see.
So let's see what's inside. Okay, pull this box.
I'm pulling all of them.
So while Zipporah is pulling this box, I'll be pulling this box.
No, I want to put both of them. Guys, look at this!
So I guess these are extra pads to go on the machine. They give us 2. Let's put this to the side while she's pulling that box. Let's see what's inside that box. Oh, that's the charger. So this is the charger to charge the product. Let's put it back in the box while she takes this out.
Wow, guys!
Look at the machine. It's so pretty. So this is the machine, people. So this is the level that you could go. Each level. You spin it to low, to IS. Let me take off. They give us a pad here on the machine already. So let me take it out to show you how it looks. Oh, this is how it looks without the pad. Soft and nice.
Very good and soft.
So let me put it on back. One more part of it, hold it. I don't see why it's so hard to go on. It's on now. Thank you, Zipporah. So we got it on back with Zipporah's help. We got it on. Yeah, so that's the product. So I'm gonna test it out for you guys. So I'm gonna turn on the machine. That's the first level. It goes that slow. Just on my hand. So just massage your hands. See, it's massaging my hands. That's the first level. I'm gonna crank it up another level. Ooh, look how far. Look at it, it's what I want. You see my skin moving. Look. Ooh, and this is the next level. Ooh, the next level, look. And then the final level, let's see how it high. So this is the highest mode. Look, it's massaging it, see? It goes faster. Woo-hoo. So that's it. That's the different modes it can use. Turning down, turning down.
Mom, she learned how to suck her thumb. Mom, the baby
then now
learned how
it's
to suck
off.
her thumb.
So you could go on their website if you want to try it out. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to go over there and check it out as well. So I'll be using it to massage my tummy area to see if it could help me to lose tummy fat from my baby weight. So that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in while we unbox this product. Stay tuned. We have other unboxing videos you could go and check out on our channel. Thank you again for coming. Please like, share, comment, and